So, I am the master chef of the family and I have several disciples and my senior most disciple is my sister-in-law, Mrs. Mini Prakashan.
Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily week. Okay guys, disclaimer. So this episode will fully have the making of chicken biryani. So if you are a vegetarian, you can skip this video. Everyone, we have Mini Valiamachi over here, my mom's eldest sister, our master chef. What are we cooking, Mini Alchi? Biryani, yes. The very famous chicken biryani is being made today.
Biryani and chili chicken.
And chili chicken. Oh, lot of items. Okay, now Mini Alchi will tell us the ingredients.
ബിരിയാണിക്ക് വേണ്ട സാധനങ്ങൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സവോള വറുക്കാനും വേണം, കറക്കി ചേർക്കാനും വേണം.
Okay.
പിന്നെ വെളുത്തുള്ളി ഇഞ്ചി പേസ്റ്റ്, തക്കാളി, പച്ചമുളക് ചതച്ചത്, മല്ലിയില, പുതിനയില, പൈനാപ്പിൾ.
Pineapple. Okay.
പിന്നെ ബസ്മതി അരി വേണം, ചിക്കൻ വേണം,
Chicken വേണം.
തൈര് വേണം,
തൈര് വേണം.
ഉപ്പ്.
ഉപ്പ്.
ഇത്രയൊക്കെ മതി.
ഇത്രയൊക്കെ മതി. Guys, I hope you understood all it in English. എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു തൈര്, curd and all. This is garlic ginger paste.
പിന്നെ ഇതിന്റെ ഇത്തിരി കശുവണ്ടി കിസ്മിസും കൂടി ചേർക്കണം വറുത്തിടാൻ.
Okay, we need some cashew nut and kismis also to add into this.
ഇനി നമുക്ക് പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ തുടങ്ങാം.
Okay, first we add ghee.
ഗീയും കുറച്ച് എണ്ണയും കൂടി. ഗീയിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതാണ് ടേസ്റ്റ്. പക്ഷെ ഹെൽത്ത് വൈസ്
Our ghee is almost over.
ഉണ്ട് ഗീ ഉണ്ട്. ഹെൽത്ത് വൈസ് നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച്
And
എണ്ണ
we have new bottle of ghee.
ഒരു എണ്ണ കാടി വെച്ചേ. കോക്കനട്ട് ഓയിലോ സപ്പോള എന്ത് വേണമെങ്കിലും കഴിക്കാം.
Next we add coconut oil.
സവോള ഇടുക.
And sabola. Anyone who can recreate this dish will be getting this gold ring. Okay, 2 pavan. Throw it into Inesi. 2 pavan. So that it gets cooked fast. Little bit salt
And little bit sugar.
and little bit sugar. And we have Valicha over here. What is this Valicha? Sweet potato. Sweet potato review.
Sweet potato with red chilli. Sweet and green chilli. It has become sweet and hot.
Yes, red chilli in green color.
Super.
Now we go back to cooking. എല്ലാവരും അവിയൽ വരുവോ. And next we add cashew nut.
എത്തിട്ട് കഴിക്കണം. അത് ഇല്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ കട്ട ബിരിയാണി ഇടണം.
We don't have kismis, so we are putting black grapes. Because of lockdown, no raisins available.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല, കാണുന്നത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. നല്ല ഗോൾഡൻ ബ്രൗൺ ആണ്. ഇതാണ് എൻ്റെ കണക്ക്.
Okay, now we are removing this into
ഇത്
another.
ഡെക്കറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള
This is for decoration, marination purpose.
മാരിനേഷൻ അല്ല, ഡെക്കറേഷൻ. ലാസ്റ്റ് ബിരിയാണി ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നു,
പേര് പറയല്ലേ.
സെർവ് ചെയ്യണതിന് മുമ്പ് ഡെക്കറേറ്റ്
Now
ചെയ്യണം.
this.
Valichan is here. Valichan is here. Valichan ran away. Valichan is coming.
So it has now reached to a golden brown color.
Yeah.
It is ready for garnishing the biryani once it is ready. So this is the first step to before making the chicken curry. This has to be made for garnishing of the
Biryani.
chicken biryani.
Okay.
Now the next process of making the chicken curry has begun. So little bit of oil is poured into the dachi. First, the ginger garlic paste has to be put into the oil. This has to be served well, and then it is followed with green chilli. Mash the green chilli, and it has to be stirred well. Chilli garlic paste has been sorted well, and now the chopped onions are put into the sorted ginger garlic paste.
Today the kitchen is hijacked by 5-6 people. I am trying too hard to shoot
So
all the videos.
I am the master chef of the family, and I have several disciples. And my senior most disciple is my sister-in-law, Mrs. Mini Prakashan. She is in charge of the kitchen today. So I have given a task for her to do the cooking of the day, and let us see how this will come out at the end of the day.
Our Gordon Ramsay is going away now. Okay. Now we add turmeric powder.
So little bit of turmeric powder is added to this. Then again this has to be sorted. Mix well until this has a little bit of smell is coming out, and then we'll see. Okay, now it is sorted. Next, the chopped tomatoes are added into the sorted
Pineapple.
onion. Next is chopped small pineapple cubes are added into that. Then coriander leaves and mint leaves that also chopped into small pieces. Again, this has to be stirred well. It has already been sorted with garlic, chili, ginger and green chili. So now on these new ingredients, tomato, pineapple, garlic, that is pudina means mint leaves and coriander leaves. These are all chopped, and it has to be once again stirred.
Now we keep the lid closed for some time. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Now look at this. Now add a little bit of curd into the sorted onion.
Minyanji is
And
very fast.
once again this has to be mixed well.
Before we can say only, she will add
This
everything.
curd will soften the chicken pieces also. This is like act as a tenderizer for the chicken. And also it will thicken the gravy of the curry. Now it is sorted well. Now we have to add the masala, garam masala powder. That's about 3 teaspoons of garam masala powder is added to that. Again mix well. You look at this. All the chopped potatoes, chopped tomatoes, pineapple, all these things were mashed to a paste form. So definitely this will thicken the gravy of the curry. Now the sorted onion is transferred to another vessel. The earlier dachi is removed and it is replaced with a non-stick vessel, and into that the chopped chicken pieces
What is the specialty of this chicken, Valicha?
There is a particular, this is a very particular type of chicken. This is 100% pure vegetarian chicken. This is grown in the farms in Modanduruthi. It is fed with pure wheat, then paddy. Only vegetable food is given to this chicken.
Yes.
So 100% you can rely, and all non-vegetarians also can eat this chicken biryani. That is a specialty.
This is a positive product chicken. Highly suitable. Okay.
Now let us cook it for a while. So we will close with the lid and cook it for about 10 minutes time. So now the biryani rice is going to be prepared. So this is the basmati rice, India Gate brand. This has been soaked for 20 minutes and this is kept in a sieve for draining the water. This is, we have to add 2-3 spoons of ghee. This is preparing in a non-stick pan. And this is cinnamon, cardamom and bay leaves. Cloves also is added in this. Stir well for a few seconds. Now we will put the basmati rice. Just fry for a few minutes. The main purpose of frying in ghee is not to stick the boiled rice. It will be separated. It will not stick together. That is the main purpose of frying in ghee. To make in the rice cooker. So water is kept inside the rice cooker. The water quantity is double the volume of rice. For example, if we take 5 cups of rice, 10 cups of water is required. Double the quantity. Boiling water, this rice is added. The water, that is the speciality of cooking the rice in the rice cooker. Once this rice is set, the water will also be totally finished. It is good to add the lemon juice. 1 lemon you can add. It is good for avoiding the stickness of the rice.
Okay.
Okay, now it is off. We'll open the lid. See, the rice is cooked. The entire water is evaporated and rice is fully cooked. Saffron is added to give a little color to the rice. We will add this yellow color milk to the rice so that the biryani rice will be having yellowish color. Little bit of ghee is added to the vessel, and into that vessel chicken will be spread at the bottom. The first layer at the bottom, it will be the chicken curry. So almost half portion of the curry is spread at the bottom of the vessel. Over the chicken curry, the cooked rice will be added as a second layer. So over the top layer of first layer of the rice, the garam masala and the chopped coriander leaves, first layer it is added, and then the garnishing with ingredients, cashew nut, raisins and the fried onions. The first layer it is added. over that the second layer of chicken curry.
ഇതൊന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
That is so over the second layer, the remaining rice will be spread. This is a very healthy biryani with a very little oil and very less spicy. Quantity of rice is spread, and over that it is topped with garam masala powder. Then the remaining chopped coriander leaves is spread, and again the topping up with the garnishing item, fried onion, cashew nut and raisins. And on that, to add a little color,
ആ, ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്.
the saffron milk, so that will give little bit of
റോസ് വാട്ടർ.
yellowish color will be there for the rice. It will look nice, and at the same time the saffron smell also will add the taste of the biryani.
ആ, ഇത്, ആ. മതി, ഇത്രയും മതി നെയ്യ്. പോരെ?
So the dumbing process is started. So for that purpose, a dachi, that frying pan, that is a steel frying pan, is kept on the flame. Over that, now we will keep the biryani vessel. This is a passive heating. The main advantage is at bottom the chicken curry will not get stick. It will not stick to the bottom of the vessel. So this is a passive heating method.
And our biryani. Wow, beautiful. Oh, ഇത് കൊള്ളാലോ.
Now the dum biryani is ready to serve. Okay, the dum biryani is opened and it is ready to serve. Let us
Pritelji has already booked a chicken leg.
reservation.
ചിക്കനിലേക്ക് പിന്നെ റിസർവ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു.
ഇതൊക്കെ മുകളിലത്തെ ചോറ് കുറച്ച് എടുത്തേച്ച് കിടക്കാം. അല്ലെ ഇത്
ആ
നിളക്കാൻ
ശരി,
പാടില്ല.
എന്റെ മൊത്തം ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ മതിയല്ലോ.
Okay. We are taking away the rice first. Now we properly mix the biryani.
ഇവിടെ സാലഡ് എടുക്കണം. സാലഡ്
ഇത് എടുക്കുമ്പോ പ്ലേറ്റിലോട്ട് ഹലോ ചേട്ടാ പോരെ.
Okay, we are serving our chicken biryani. Grass-fed chicken.
This is the vegetarian chicken biryani.
ആ.
Has to be garnished well with the fried onions and
ഓക്കെ.
cashew nuts and
The final touch by my dad, who used to work in Oryx GTL. He's promoting his own company. പപ്പടം വെക്ക് വെച്ചാ പപ്പടം.
See how this dum biryani is tasting. I will take little bit of chicken and then mix with rice and see. Super, super awesome.
Okay, Licha, thank you. Okay, after biryani, we have dessert. We have fruit salad with custard. It has lots of fruit and custard, so we'll eat it. This is my, I think, second favorite after bread pudding. Very nice. Bye.